To solve issues of security no be problem, na make Naija people trust each other. Tambuwal na im talk dis one for Benin. Governor for Sokoto State and PDP presidential aspirant Aminu Tambuwal don talk for one press meeting wey e do wen e come visit im party stakeholders and governor for di state, Godwin Obaseki, for Friday for Benin City. E tok say if e win im party ticket, im go create environment wey go help in restructuring and wey go promote physical federalism for Naija.
First and foremost, I will engage Nigerians in a dialogue, and we shall, as a government, present executive bills where necessary for constitutional amendment to accommodate all of those recommendations that are aimed and targeted at restructuring and promoting fiscal federalism of this country. If there in public domain what happened, we couldn't agree amongst ourselves, and we agreed to go and continue our separate efforts, and if need be, possibly at the national scale, for consensus, we'll come back together and see whether it is going to work.
E con add say on security matter, say na to build trust among Nigerians, say dem fit live as one and e fit happen.
It's all about rebuilding trust and confidence amongst our people and believing ourselves as Nigerians that we are all one and we must all live together wherever anybody chooses to live.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.